You have to split the whole carbon credit market into 4 quadrants. One is the voluntary carbon market, where companies and entities are free to engage in a climate market out of their own will and desire to go carbon neutral or net zero. Second is the compliance market. A compliance market is when there is a central body in a country mandating what is the climate target per company or per entity. Third is the Article 6 market, and in that market it is split into 2. Article 6.2, where a country engages with another country in carbon credits, and Article 6.4 is when a country registers its project in a common domain, and then those projects can be purchased by other countries. So to this avail, the voluntary carbon market is thriving. It's close to $3 billion large at this point globally. India is one of the major players in that market, and it is set to grow to $50 billion in total volume on an annual basis by 2030, and at a base of $250 billion by 2050, or at an upper limit of $1 trillion by 2050. So point is, voluntary carbon market is mature. India has recently announced its Indian Carbon Trading Scheme, which is called the Emission Trading Scheme or the Carbon Trading Scheme, and it is managed by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Those projects, that framework might not be suitable for energy-based projects or anything of a similar nature. They might be only to meet a certain target and trade the excess benefits of a certain company, but that is to be remembered. Article 6, India has notified green hydrogen and cookstoves with electric as part of Article 6. So some of the projects from Kerala are entitled to go into the Article 6 markets too. So it is easy for it's fair to say Kerala should focus on the voluntary market first. Secondly, it should focus on the compliance market, and thirdly, it should focus on the Article 6 market.